Lake Erie plays such a vital role in our daily lives, and we learned just how fragile that relationship is back in 2014 when toxic algae in the lake prompted a water crisis across Northwest Ohio. Well, now, more than a decade later, scientists are working to learn more about that toxic algae and the impacts it has on our health. We are joined today by two researchers from the University of Toledo who are looking into that, Dr. Stephen Holler and Dr. David Kennedy. Welcome. Thanks for being here again.
Thank you for having us.
We had you here a little while ago because you did this last year for the first time, right?
Yep. We had a community health study to open up for the community the ability to answer that question about how do these harmful algal blooms affect our health. So last year was our first year in rollout. One of the things that we learned from that was that people will participate a lot more if you make it convenient.
Yes, they don't want it to go out of their way. Yeah.
So we've done that. We've sent around some postcards to let people know about how to participate in the study. And now we have a mobile health clinic that goes from Point Place all the way to Port Clinton. So
so a little bit, definitely more convenient. So let's talk a little bit about what you want to learn from all of this research, from all the samples you're collecting.
Sure. So we know the algal toxins can be released into the air. What we don't know is what the potential human health effects of that are. So the whole point of this is we're looking at some very basic lung function tests to try and answer the question if you live or recreate near the lake, is that having any effect on your lung function? And we really want to be there to answer this question for the community.
Yeah, I mean, you would think that maybe there is some kind of impact. Hopefully there isn't, but we don't know until you do the research, right?
Sure. Yeah, one of the clues that we've gotten, obviously people have described anecdotally being out in the lake. Charter captains call it the August cough that they would get. We also know that in Northwest Ohio there's a high incidence and prevalence of asthma. So we've really focused in for this portion of the study on the lung as a potential exposure route. So you drink hopefully 2 liters of fluid a day, you breathe 11,000 liters a day. So the lung is really the gateway to so many environmental exposures, and it's really important to understand how that may influence your health, especially since we know these toxins can potentially be aerosolized.
Sure. So you brought something, some gadgets with you today. I'm assuming that when people participate in this, they're going to be using this.
Yep, absolutely. So yeah, a couple of things. People ask, well, what is this like? So it normally takes. We try to look at people before the bloom season begins.
So like now.
Sure, and which is why we're asking people to participate now, so we can get a baseline and understand what's your health like. And then during the bloom season as well, we follow up again. The visits are really pretty short, about 35, 45 minutes. You fill out some questionnaires about your health, and then we ask for some basic lung function tests, and they're very simple. Just some instruments here that you breathe into. This helps us, in particular, talk about lung and understand lung inflammation that's going on, and then some other devices again to breathe into that helps us understand the capacity of your lung and the ability to breathe normally. So very simple tests. Doesn't take that long, and we've had a great response so far.
Well, good. Do you want people to continue to do this year after year, the same folks?
Absolutely, yes. And we're actively enrolling now, and what we've noticed, it's been really exciting. We've seen a lot of positive response from the community because there's been a lot of concern over this issue.
Yeah.
And we want to be able to provide the answers to the community. We live in the community. It's our home too, so we want to be able to provide these answers for folks.
So how long is this study going to go on for?
Sure. This study, the first phase of this study goes out to 2029.
Okay.
So we'll be following people at least out until 2029. And then we'll likely want to understand beyond that, but at least this first period will be for several years. That lets us understand, because the bloom changes from year to year, and different conditions change. So this gives us a longitudinal look at how people's health is, throughout year to year, and then within the individual seasons. Because we know that again, the blooms are very complex. They don't always start at the same time, or they can last longer into the season. So this, by following people for a long period of time, we help to understand that.
Sure, we might be able to go, that was a bad
Yeah.
year, and then you can look at the data to see it supported. Very interesting. So people are like, okay, yes, I live by the lake, I recreate by the lake, I want to be part of this, I want to help get answers. How do they go about participating in this?
Absolutely. So you may have received one of our postcards. There's a QR code on the back. We have a website, and we can put that, link that as well. Our study coordinator handles all of the calls. She will get you in. So all you have to do is reach out and call, either go to the website, call the phone number, and we'll find the most convenient location to you. As I said, we go from Point Place all the way to Port Clinton, and obviously at the University of Toledo Medical Center as well. So people have a variety of places to make it convenient for them. And we've gotten a great response because of that. The people definitely have commented on how much
It's more convenient.
Yeah, and they bring their friends and things and say, hey, this is it's right in our backyard. We don't have to drive 30 minutes or 40 minutes.
Yes, and if you just search GLAMR Toledo, it'll take you right to our website.
Right to the website and get some more information there, gentlemen. This is really, really interesting stuff, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you all collect over the years. Thanks for being here today.
Thanks so much for
Thank you
having
for
us,
having
Amanda.
Absolutely.